Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Pro the Fixer. You got a boy, your Clayton Fernandez, and today I'm going to show you how to add, I'm just joking, how to check your live subscribe account, or anybody's live subscribe account, any YouTuber's live subscribe account. So then first thing first, you type social, it's a website, Social Blade. BLADE. And then you press enter. Then you have to press this. Okay, so then you enter my username. I mean, like anybody's any channel's username for the Fixer. Okay. And yeah, it'll come like this. Press select channel. And you scroll down. You'll find everything. You'll find my live subscriber account. So here, count, not account, count. Yeah, so then there's that. Yeah, this is my live subscriber account. So that's how you do it. You can even over here, you can like YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, everything. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will get amazing notifications from the channel. Pro the Fixer. Signing out.